Hey, what's up guys, on this one I want to show you guys how you can actually buy some Ethereum, some ETH. As you can actually know that, guys, ETH is one of the biggest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. So ETH is the second biggest crypto on this moment as we are recording this video. So I just actually, guys, if you have missed how you can actually buy this coin in one of the simplest way form you can actually do, so I'm actually going to show you guys that video on this one. So once you actually come onto here, you usually come onto your wallet, go on to fiat and spot, and that is going to land you here, as you can actually see here, and then you're gonna see all your assets that you actually have here. So as you can actually see, I don't have a lot of stuff onto this account because I actually send it onto another account of mine, so that I can be able to actually make some videos for you guys, so that you can actually be able to learn a thing or two when it comes into trading. So what we want to do on this one, we want to be able to buy some Ethereum. So I'm just going to show you some steps which you can actually just take, so that you can actually be able to buy this Ethereum, so that you can actually own some crypto. So all you have to do is just come on to convert, as you can actually see right here, and then you just wait for it to actually load. So most of the cryptos that you will have, if you have USDT, you can almost convert it into any other crypto, because USDT is the stable coin, which is a stable coin, or which you can actually use, which is a stable coin, and BUSD. So BUSD is it's a Binance coin. It's a stable coin for Binance, right? So if you actually, you'll know the BNB coin, so you actually will understand what is a BUSD coin. So it's a standard, it's a, as you can actually understand what I'm saying there, guys, it's a stable coin for Binance. So they created their own stable coin, so that you can be able to convert it into any other those coins. So actually what you're going to do, you're gonna buy your USDT or your BUSD, and then be able to convert it onto anything. So you're actually going to come here, convert whatever you have into USD, or you can actually just check if you're able to convert it. So we're gonna look onto Sol, the one I actually have right now, which is Solana, and then we're actually going to see, just mix that one out. If you want to convert everything, you can convert half of it, or as you can actually see, because it's always gonna show you how much you have here on top, and then you can convert how much you want to convert. So, and then it's just going to come down here, because BTC is one of the biggest one, it's always probably the first, and then you're gonna have your ETH the second, and then you're just going to click onto ETH, and then it says here that you are able to do that. You can actually just hit convert here. So you're gonna actually see how much you're actually going to get once you actually convert it, and then you give it a go ahead, and then you convert, and then that's it. You're actually going to be to own some ETH, and then you make that passive. And so that's it, guys, on this one. Make sure you subscribe, and then I will see you on the next one. This is going to be a ciao.